The new Halloween Greenville update has just dropped. There will be a detective that wants you to find the picture parts. So I have collected 7 out of 7 picture parts. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by reviewing 2 of the limited cars that have just dropped into Greenville. So this is one of the car that is the limited one. This is the Kim K what is it called again? This is the Kim K Cadillac. I've changed the rims just because I thought it looked very ugly. But yeah, I got some new rims on. Those look really cool. I have no idea why GV wanted to add this into the game. No one asked for it, but no offense to the GV depths. So I am reaching Tires Plus right now. I'm gonna show you guys the actual rims on the Kim K Cadillac. This thing's like a boat. I can't even fit in the garage. So okay, this is the normal rims. I think those look very ugly, so I just changed them, but I can still buy them if you want. So let's hop onto the next limited car. So this limited car is actually it's very special. It's actually a RAV4 turned into a Lamborghini Urus. As you guys can see, the bumper is exactly like the Urus, and blacked out smoked tail lights. I'm gonna launch this thing because this thing is really fast. I'm not sure about the back. The back looks quite ugly, but I like the rims. Alright, so launch control. Why is launch control is not working? You know what, who cares? Let me just do it the old-fashioned way. Let me just rev it up. Let me turn on the volume. Yeah, it sounds just like a Lamborghini, which is so cool. So let me just launch it right now. 3, 2, 1. Not only this car launches so well, but it is also so fast. It gets up to the top speed so quickly. Braking's normal, I guess. Yeah, top speed is 172 miles per hour. And yeah, I'm just gonna review these 2 of the cars, as I'm not gonna go through that many cars because it's just gonna waste my time. You guys can go check it out yourself. So yeah, let's hop onto the new map area. Okay, so the new map area is at the Cats Park. They added pumpkin patch into the game, which is limited time. I think it's gonna go away in a few weeks, I believe, or a few days. I don't know. Hope it's still there. I know I haven't been posting that frequently these couple of weeks. I actually caught COVID, so I didn't have time to record. So this is the pumpkin patch. that has just been added into the game. It looks so cool. Really realistic. Got pumpkins everywhere, tall pumpkins, flat pumpkins. Yeah, this is so cool. Even black pumpkins. Black pumpkins, that's so cool. We've got a tray here. Yeah, this is so cool. But yeah, this is the pumpkin patch. Got a little sidewalk right here. It's located at the Cats Park. No idea why they want to put it like at the edge of the map. But nonetheless, it's really cool. So let's go to the next map area that has just been added into the game, into the map. My car is just moving by itself. Alright. Okay guys, so the next building that has been added into the game is the bunny's house, the haunted house, which is right beside the graveyard. So we are reaching there right now. As you guys can see, that's the house right there. There's bloody handwriting that says help right there. That's so weird. Some smoke going around here. There's even a head on top of the tombstone of the grave. That is so weird. So here is the haunted house. It's so cool, but wait, let me show you guys something secret. So if you guys use VCam and you go under, here is the house. Here's the actual house, I think. Wait, can I go in here? No way I can. Wait, let me see. Oh. Wait. Are they like saving it for the next Halloween event or something? Wait, I think it's the same. Yeah, it's the same as the actual building. I don't know why they put one right below the actual haunted house. So enough of talking, let's get into the house. So I press E to enter. So here is the house. Bloody writing again that says help. Blood over there. Candles, a head on the table. Some sort of weird picture. The windows are all covered up. Cause it's not see-through, just a little bit upsetting. What is this? Just a picture of the dark forest. Rusted old bed. Some creepy old carpet. God, oh my gosh, what is this? Is that blood on the in the sink? Oh, this toilet is actually usable. That's great. Rusted fan. Okay, that's weird. Alright, so this is the dining room. No TV. What is that? Is that just black frame? Is that just a frame? Put on. Wait. Yeah, the fire is actually. Oh, that's cool. Looks like some parts has fallen off the fan. Let's see what's here. Oh, the garage. I think the garage looks normal. It's just the windows have been covered up. The garage door too. I think the garage is in quite good condition. It's just this rusted part door frame that is rusted. So kitchen. I don't know if that is if that is able to show on YouTube. Okay, what is this? Oh my gosh. Well, that is creepy. Single bedroom here. This is the master bedroom, which is what happened at the end of the Halloween event. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you can go watch my recent video of me completing the Halloween event. So let's go upstairs. Another room. Hammer on the floor. Okay. What's this? Oh, oh my gosh. There's a skeleton here. Blood everywhere. A fallen toilet for some reason is there. And yeah, that is very cool. So, oh, there's actually another limited car I haven't showed you guys. It is the 1958 Mayflower Rage Roxanne. So this has been given to me by Greenville. Everyone get this car if they finish the Halloween event, which I did. So here is the classic cage. Is it cage? Mayflower classic, some sort of classic vehicle. So if you press G, the car actually catches on fire, which actually happened on the movie, which is so cool. This is actually quite good for RPs. This is so cool. I have posted some pictures of me with this haunted car on my IG. You can go check that out. Yeah, this is so cool. Yeah, press G and it's off. Yeah, that is so cool. Alright, so I'm on the home page. Title screen. So scroll down to see what's new. Fix multiple bugs related to the Halloween event. Fix the bug for parts not be able to be collected for the event. Added new starting cars. Include 2 limited time cars in the dealership. Grab them if you like to own either one. Limited cars go off sale November 1st, 12 AM CDT. If you cannot buy it now, by the time this video uploads, you cannot buy it already. So added Halloween decor at houses, and also includes candy baskets. Added decor around the map. Added a pocket patch at the cat's park. Gosh, I cannot speak. Vehicle app has been fully redesigned. New app UI to accompany the new lock, unlock all seats feature. Added more location to the navigation app. I cannot speak today. Limited cars finally do not take up garage space. Yeah, this was the previous update, so I'm not gonna read through that. So yeah, let me just show you the let me just take out my Tesla. Let me show you the redesigned vehicle app. So this is what it looks like. Got a 3D picture of my Tesla. Lock and unlock, and it actually flashes, which is so cool. Each car actually has its own lock unlock sound. Shows the car plate. even the fuel. I should go charge my car. So this is so cool. It actually unlocks and locks the whole entire car. Every door of your car is unlocked, so you don't have to go manually click it like you guys do in the previous way. So yeah, that is so cool. Probably the favorite thing that has been added into the game. So I'm gonna okay. So yeah, that will be it for this update video. So yeah, let's hop on to the outro. Alright, so that will be it for today's update video. It is not quite a huge update. This update is like a mid, but yeah, Greenville has been I've actually lost interest in Greenville recently because it has just not been releasing that good of updates, but really it's still a really good game. It's still a very cool game. The updates is definitely not bad. It's just not as good as it was before. What is this guy doing? So yeah, so that will be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell if you haven't already, so you will not miss out on any later future updates for Scrag. So you'll not miss out on any future videos. So that'll be it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everybody.